Are you dreaming to be like Manny Pacquiao and CoDM? Well, just follow the steps. Go to events. Seasonal. Then knockout artist. First task is to play 5 MP matches. To earn this fast, go to free-for-all and shipment map. Second is to kill 10 enemies with a melee weapon. These are the melee weapons. Base melee includes katana and etc. Next is to earn the knockout medal. You can earn this medal by killing an enemy with a melee weapon. And then, kill 20 enemies with Dead Silence and Quick Fix perk. Quick Fix is a green perk, and Dead Silence is a blue perk. Next task is to earn Backstabber medal. To earn this medal, you need to kill an enemy from behind by a melee weapon. Before the match start, chat your opponents that you are grinding for Backstabber medal.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
Then, you need to win 5 matches with Hardline perk. Hardline perk is a blue perk. Just choose free-for-all then shipment map for a faster game. In free-for-all, top 3 and top 2 is also considered a win. And the last task is to kill 15 enemies with the AGR 55 equipped with 5 attachments. Here's the attachments I used. And here's some gameplay of the AGR 556. Thanks for watching.